Hi everybody, in this video I will explain Excel rounding functions using simple real-life examples and practical situations. You will learn how functions like round, round up, round down and MROUND behave and when to use each one. These are my values. First, let me show how to use round function. So to use round function, write equal and then type round and then click the value. And then let's say we want to round to 2 decimal places, write 2 and hit enter. This is the rounded value with 2 decimal places and then you drag down. When you use this round function, then it uses normal rounding. In this case, if the digit we drop is 5 or more than 5, we increase the previous digit by 1. Here the digit to be dropped is 8. The previous digit is 7. So when you round, this 7 becomes 8. So if the digit to be dropped is less than 5, we simply remove that digit. So here, this 2 is removed without changing the previous digit. So now, another thing I want to remind you here is the first case here is called round up, and the second case here is round down. So now let's see another function, round up. How to use this function? So you write equal round up parenthesis, click this number, and we want to do the same thing too. Click here, and then this one. In this case, you can see the first is the same, but the second one is rounded off. That means when you use round off function, everything is rounded off. Let me give a real world example. Suppose one bus can carry 40 students and we have 85 students. How many buses we need? So what we can do is you write equal 85 divided by 40 and we get 2.125. So then we need to round this because two buses can round off this because two buses cannot carry 85 students. So in this case, we need 3 buses. So we have to do round off and then this number and then go to 0 decimal places. This is what we get. We get this is the round off situation. Okay, next, let me go to round down function. In round down function, we write equal round down and then click the number and then 2 decimal places. And then you drag this. In these cases, every numbers will be rounded down. That means we simply remove the last digit irrespective whether it is 1 or 9. This is round down situation. Let me see what is the use of round down in real life. Let's say we have a budget of $25 and the cost of one item, we were trying to buy some items. The cost of one item is $5.25. Then how many items we can buy by using this $25 is 4.762. So we cannot buy more than that. So we have to do round down here. Round down this number and comma, 0 decimal places. So I get, we do round down equal down, round down this value, comma, 0. So we get 4. So let me go to the final one, that is MROUND. MROUND gives a number rounded to the desired multiple. Let me show you this one. So you write MROUND and then click this number and then comma and let's say 2. That means these numbers will be the coming numbers. The rounded numbers will be the multiple of 2. Let's go here this way. So these are the multiples of 2. You can also do multiples of 5. You write equal MROUND. Click this number here. MROUND. Click this number and then comma 5, and then all these rounded numbers will be the multiple of 5. Okay, and now let me give you the real life example. Suppose you went to a store, they don't use penny, and then they have to round to nearest of 5 cent, that nickel. So now let's round these numbers. These are the numbers. So now how we round is M round, and then click this one, and then comma, and then write 0.05. And the number you will be getting, the rounded number will be multiple of 5 cents. So go down, and then these are rounded to multiple of 5 cents. I hope you now have a clear understanding of rounding functions and how to apply them in different situations. Thank you for watching my videos. If you find this useful, please like, share, or subscribe. See you in the next video.